Hello guys and welcome back to another video. And today, yeah, I bought this. The Cybertruck. So I did an update review, and when the update came out, I recorded it of the night when it just updated. So they didn't have the Cybertruck because the next morning they released a Cybertruck uh, the cyber. Oh my god, I can't speak. But the Cybertruck price decreased, and they also increased the speed to 150. So yeah, this is the Cybertruck. So I bought it. I sold like half of my cars, and I got the money now. And here, let's do a little speed test here, and I'm gonna show you some Easter eggs with it too. So yeah, I'm just gonna switch my gauges up. Standard advanced. Oh, no, don't you dare run away from me. Just that way I know what the revving and stuff is. I don't have sound on. So, yeah. So this one might be a short one, but it's just a review. So, it might not be super long. Like that. This thing is so hard because it has so much torque. It's like literally ridiculous. And go. This thing is very fast to 100. There's 100 miles an hour. And then here we're going to do a braking test. It should be pretty good. So, yeah. Ooh, that's worse than I thought it was. But, yeah. How am I braking on smooth? I don't know what happened there. But, yeah, here, I'm actually going to get on my controller quick. Okay, onto my controller now. So, yeah, this is the crazy, insane Cybertruck. So, yeah. And it's quick. Top speed is it's around 150. It goes the fastest I've gotten is 148. Don't mind that, please. I'm gonna put my controller back. Okay, let's get back. Okay, let's go do some Easter eggs. I'm gonna go do this at spawn. Sorry, this video's gonna be really short. Oh, sorry about that. Dang. But yeah, that. Oh, here, let's do this Easter egg first. And you can also climb on top of some cars. This is just a ridiculous monster. But if you come back here, there's this little button. It opens up the front. And also, one really cool thing. It has like bed lights. It's really cool. Like no other car. Like it's just kind of cool. Like no other truck has that in this game. But let's go take a look at the other Easter egg. It's actually in the dealership. So if you guys know the Tesla Cybertruck unveiling, they threw those like rock things at the window, and it cracked it, and it wasn't supposed to. Well, if you look close here at the the preview, you can see those little holes, which are actually in the right place. I watched the reveal again; they're actually in the right place, which is actually kind of cool. So yeah, and it's starting to get late, so I'm going to change the time. There we go. Wait, what? Let's go time right. There we go. Now it's noon. Yeah. So now, oh, here we go. See if we can do it to this one. Yep, just ramped it like a champ. This thing's ridiculous. I never really liked the Cybertruck, honestly, but in this game, it's actually kind of impressive. Actually, I mean, just look at that. I need to go find a better car to do it on. Oh. Uh-oh. Okay, we might be stuck. Don't mind that. Okay, let's go find a better car to do it on. I'm gonna go looking for a second. See what we can find. Here's a McDonald's. Prius, that ain't gonna do good. That ain't gonna do us good. Let's go over to like the place for trucks or something. What's that? See a few cars over there. Oh, there's a Jetta. That might work. Jetta might work. It's at about 30. Can't really get on top of the Jetta. I can't get onto the Jetta. I hit it at 30. Let's try it a little faster. Nope. It don't got it in her. I'll try it faster yet. What about like 50? Well, yeah, that works, but that's not fair. So let's go over here. See what that's the back. I thought that was the back of a Toyota or whatever the heck that thing is in America. Ooh, Camaro. Check the Camaro. It might be able to do the Camaro. Yep, it can. I can do the Camaro. Chevy versus Tesla. Looks like Tesla wins. Yeah, I'm gonna try just powering on my way up. I'm gonna get it right next to it, put it in neutral, I'm just gonna slam it. I'm gonna drive, and put it right there. No, okay, that doesn't work. You have to have a little bit of speed because the here. Let's go see if we can find another car. Video's turning out to be longer than I thought. No, this might be kind of boring. I don't know if I want to keep on going with this, but oh. Perfect. Right in the ditch. Let's go down here. Let's see how good it jumps. I'll tell you one thing, it's very good at jumping. I'll tell you that. Yeah. And this thing is very quick, very good acceleration. Let's go down over by like the WSB station. Don't mind that lag. I don't know where the heck it's but yeah. Anything over here? I don't have anything. And that. See a Suburban. Oh, there's a minivan and this. There's a minivan and actually Jeez. Go check some other place. And I just find a good car to ramp that isn't right in front of a building. There's a Miata. That thing would have been good too. Oh, how did I not think of the parking lot? No, oh, finally, an Impala. Impala might not be bad. It's got a slope for an end. I think it can. Oh yeah, that wasn't bad. That wasn't bad at all. Let's try it again, trying to power it away up. This front wheel is just, ooh, it might have a chance. Oh, it's so close. So close. I'm gonna give it a little bit of speed. Oh, it's so close too. Well, I think that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. See you guys in the next one, and bye guys.